Smartwatches. Do you really need one? What are they good for? Absolutely nothing. But maybe this one is different. Let's have a look. Stick around to the end of this video if you want to hear what I think about the Ticwatch Pro. This is the brand new Ticwatch Pro. And I'm just going to remove the wrapper here. And we'll have a look and see what's inside the box. Pulls out like this. And open up like this. And here it is. The Ticwatch Pro in the silver edition. Just put this over here. Inside the box we have a manual, a little bag of silica gel, and the charger. And that's it. The watch has a leather strap with rubber on the back, which is supposed to make it feel better on the skin, allowing the skin to breathe more easily. Let's just get rid of this and this. On the back we have the charging ports and a heart sensor. On the side there are two buttons. And all in all, a quite nice finish. It is a little heavy and a little bulky, as you can see. And if we compare it to the old Ticwatch 2, you can see it is slightly thicker and slightly bigger. Let's fire it up, see if there's any power on it. Oh, wow. This Ticwatch 2 was purchased on Kickstarter when it was launched a couple of years ago. The creators of Ticwatch were ex-Google employees, and when they started Mobvoi, the company that makes these watches, they got the support from Google to develop things better and faster. They also have the Tic Home, which is a Google Assistant, and you can see my review of it by clicking up on the card up there. The old Ticwatch 2 was powered by their own proprietary software, based on Android, but still their own. The new Ticwatch Pro is powered by wearOS, which was previously known as Android Wear. Let's just try to get this set up and see what it can do. So I already have it on my phone here, so I'm not just going to configure a new device. And as you can see, my phone has already found the new watch and it is attempting to pair. But so let's get a first look at this watch. As you can see, there's a time display here, and this is the extra display that they added on top of the OLED display. It's an LCD display that will save a lot of power while it's on. And if I just tap it, you will see the normal watch. You can slide up to see your notifications. Slide down to have a quick menu. And oh, here are some more watch faces that you can add even more here and customize your watch as you see fit. On the top here there's a button that will open the app drawer, and as you can see there are quite a lot of apps already installed. The bottom button is configurable. You can use it to create a shortcut to one of the apps you use the most. And if you hold the top button, it will launch Google Assistant. What is the time in Hong Kong? There we go. It works. So I'm not going to go through all of the apps right now. I'm going to put this watch on my wrist and wear it for some time, and I'll see how it performs, and then I'll get back with more information. As it is, using this LCD display will save a lot of power, and Mob Boys say that this watch will last 2 to 5 days depending on how you use it. If you use it only in the essential mode, which is just the LCD display and all other things turned off, it is supposed to last up to 30 days. So that means if you go traveling and you forget your charger, you can still use this as a watch, but without all the smartwatch functionality. I have been using this watch for 2 weeks now, and I have some opinions about it. First of all, the battery life. Mobboy claims that this watch will last for 2 to 5 days on a single charge. And granted, it may be so, but only if you disable all the sensors and basically everything that makes this smartwatch smart. For me, this has lasted 1 to 2 days depending on how I use it. Compared to the old Ticwatch 2 that I used previously, it is better. It is obvious that the dual layer technology with the LCD display on top of the OLED display, it saves you some battery life, but it's still nowhere the 2 to 5 days that they claim. The Ticwatch Pro is waterproof. It actually has an IP68 rating, which means that it can be submerged in water for quite some time. I haven't tried it myself yet, but that is partly because of the watch band that they deliver with it. It is rubber on the inside, but it is leather on the outside, and I'm not sure that leather really likes being submerged in water for that long time. But it is nice to know that if it all of a sudden starts raining, I don't have to worry about anything. And this being Denmark, we do get rain quite a lot. And then there's a thing that kind of annoys me a bit, and it may not be the Ticwatch Pro, it may be more of a wearOS issue, and that is the fact that the function that is easiest accessible on the watch is changing watch faces. And I know that changing watch faces was a big gimmick when these smartwatches first came out, but I don't really do it that much. I mean, I would rather have something that could be configurable so I could decide what would happen when I slide the screen instead of just moving on to the next watch face. I like my watch face. I don't want to change it all the time. But hey, as I said, it may be more of a wearOS issue, and with the up and coming version of wearOS, this may change. It is a feature-packed watch. It has everything. It even has NFC that supports Android Pay. Of course, this being Denmark, we don't have Android Pay because we don't do that. Is there anything else that NFC can be used for? I haven't found anything yet, but if you know, just tell me in the comments below and I will check it out. And the last thing I have to mention is that the Ticwatch Pro comes with a 2-year-old microprocessor. And actually it doesn't make that much of a difference to me because my old Ticwatch 2, when that was released, also came with a 2-year-old processor. So the good thing is that from the Ticwatch 2 to the Ticwatch Pro, nothing much changed. The bad thing is that from the Ticwatch 2 to the Ticwatch Pro, nothing much changed. Anyway, that's all I have for this unboxing and review. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our smartphone theme that we just kicked off today. And we also have some competitions coming in the next video. Oh, maybe not the next video, maybe the one after that. But how can I tell you? You have to subscribe, add notifications so you don't miss out when the competition comes. And besides that, stay frosty people and see ya!